you hear that? It's amazing. Looks like they're back. Guess where I am. I'm sorry, but I haven't posted a video on a day that I usually do, but I've been sick with the flu. Do you call it that? Yeah, I don't know, but I've been laying in bed for many days, not be able to do nothing. But today I'm at my feet again, and the best thing was to just lay here in the low height of birds of prey instead of wandering around in the woods. That's so much more harder to do when you are sick. But what excites me today is that there is a little bit snow. But what concerns me is that for a couple of days now there has been really low on activity. So let's hope that we get some birds in this beautiful snow. That is the dream environment, scenery. Okay, now it's just a waiting game. Did you hear that? It's amazing. Looks like they're back. It's in a tree. It's sitting in a tree. I guess it's trying to see if there is any danger around before they come down. But let's hope they decide to come down. It's perfect. The Goshawk is here. This is great. Wow. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Isn't this just amazing? With the snow. I love it. It's so cool. Like I said, I was a bit worried because there has been 2 days now of really low activity. But for now, it's just cool that I get one bird in the snow. So I know I'm not the best of telling you the settings on my camera, and I hope I will get any better. I think I said that before, but yeah. But I will. But my settings right now is 1250 on ISO, and that gives me a shutter speed of 1/1600 of a second. But I have to overexpose at +1 because the snow is making it so light that the camera wants to give me more shutter speed to underexpose. The snow needs to be white, and it also gives more contrast. In autofocus I use the same mode as before with 1 point, because I'm shooting through snow and I don't want it to try to focus on that. It's back. Let's be careful. Come on, look at this. This is cool. Yeah. Yeah. The snow works like a really big reflector. One important thing when you're trying to get some action in with wing flapping or things that the bird do, you need to always be alert and try to read the body language of the bird as good as possible. So in my case here with the Goshawk, I just need to keep an eye on it all the time and see if it starts to move around. In this case here, the bird, some goshawks is more nervous around other birds, and they want to take the food with it. So then it's trying to fly away with it, and then you need to be ready to push the trigger when the birds do that. But if you are taking some pictures and starting to look at the pictures on the camera right away, you might miss that shot. So it's really important to look at the picture after the birds are gone and just keep the eye on the bird and the focus all the time. I know that's hard because it could be a long time, but yeah, it's a good thing at the end when you're getting the picture. So that's a wrap. I'm going home now. It's been so long since there have been any birds, but I'm happy because there did come 2 goshawks and I got to photograph them in the snow. Yeah, that was so cool. I hope you like this, and I hope you consider subscribing if you are new here. Maybe give me a thumbs up. And yeah, this was cool. I hope I will see you in the next one. Bye.